This is a demonstration on what we can do to be able to print a bone graft fill from a unilateral cleft palate into a lattice set. I'm just showing you for demonstration. We can probably use more sophisticated software, but this is basically the concept. This is the fill that is needed to get a full bone graft of a unilateral cleft palate. Obviously this part here is not necessary. So this is an STL file. It can be printed, but doesn't give, except for the volume, doesn't give any advantage. Now what we can do from this solid STL file, we can make it into a lattice as shown right here. And now you can have the same bone graft rendering or virtual bone graft made into a lattice that can be exported into any type of printer and be printed in hydroxyapatite or any resorbable material that can give a much nicer way to produce a bone graft. Again, you can cut it right here and fill this with bone. We can also, where there is contact between the soft tissues and this lattice, make the triangles even more, I would say, smaller, in order to avoid soft tissue invasion. And where the bone is actually contacting the bone graft directly, we can make them a little bit wider to let the blood vessels invade the bone graft. So this is a rendering. Obviously it's not really a perfect setup, but this is what it could look like. This is filled. This one now is unfilled. You can see that. And that's the rendering of a virtual bone graft made into a lattice framework.